Hello, everyone. So in today's session, Vivek and I are going to talk about the the Scaled Agile Framework. I'm going to introduce the Scaled Agile Framework quickly, and then I'm going to hand over to Vivek to talk about the SKA contracts during the construction phase. So before we get started, Vivek and I are from Persistent Systems, and we are part of the SKA solution team. Vivek plays the role of the product manager, which is the content authority for the teams who are working on the observation, management, and controls area. And I am playing the role of the release train engineer, that is the chief scrum master for the teams working in the same area. Just a note here that the following slides in this deck come from different sources and are subject to some privacy and copyrights. I thank the Scaled Agile team, the SKA organization, and the solution team from the SKA like Nick Rees, Maurizio, and Ray Pedro for creating this slide and allowing me to reuse in this session. Let's do a quick fact check. Isn't it amazing to see how Uber is the largest taxi company which owns no vehicle? And Netflix, whom we were gloomed during our lockdown, is one of the largest growing television network having no cables. Have you realized the power of digital disruption, how it is affecting every industry across the globe? And yeah, none of these companies existed 20 years ago. So welcome to the software age, an interconnected real-time world in which every industry depends on technology, and at least some part of it is a software company. To remain competitive, enterprises or the organizations will need to digitally transform their operations, the business solutions, and overall customer experience. And the bigger challenges in such enterprises is that their current business models, organizational hierarchy, and the overall technical infrastructure really can't keep pace with the rapid changes that are required. So what's to be done? Again, the renowned author and Harvard researcher John Carter notes that the solution is not to trash or remove what we know and what we have started over, but instead reintroduce another layer or another operating system. We do still need the hierarchy that drives the current revenue model, provides efficiency and stability, and keeps the power and lights on and maintaining all the existing products and services. But we do understand that we need a second system that supports it and adds the agility aspect of it back to it. One that focuses on providing the customer with new solution and addressing emerging opportunities, requirements, and basically one that is nimble and adaptable to the end user. Agile development comes into picture here, and we have seen that it has provided significant improvements and benefits to many organizations. However, by itself, I don't think agile development is enough. What began in software development should now expand to encompass the entire enterprise. I mean, changing how people work, how every aspect of the business operates. And put simply, the organizations and the enterprise need the organization and business agility, the determining factor that will decide the winners and losers in this digital and fast growing economy. By empowering people to make quick decisions, including allocating resources to them, aligning the right people around the right work, business agility allows companies to capitalize on the emerging opportunities and thrive in this fast changing digital world. This is where the framework called Scaled Agile comes into picture. It applies the power of Agile along with the contemporary knowledge found in the various areas like system thinking, lean product development to help business address the large challenges of developing the world-class technology solutions with high quality, fast time to market. Scaled Agile is an online, freely revealed knowledge base of proven success patterns for achieving business agility. And when we are working in a huge distributed project like SKA, what better methodology can work here? So I would like to say here that SKA has chosen a safe methodology for its software development activities. And the SAFE framework relies on the 4 core values of alignment, built-in quality. Its quality is really important. Transparency, program execution, along with having collaboration from the different areas of the organization, involving all the stakeholders. So SAFE framework during the bridging, that is the period we are right now, which we are going through, which will happen until we start or kick off the construction. We have been successfully applying the scaled agile framework for various prototyping activities, and we are seeing immense benefits out of it. Also, as the construction contracts will be getting rolled out, that will also be based on the SAFE framework. It is one of the concepts that drives the SKA contracts during its construction phase. Vivek will be talking more about it very soon. This is just the overall, again, reiterating the benefits of this collaborative approach of SAFE, which includes the ability to have a fixed time box for planning, building, and validating the entire system, having a fast feedback, feeding that feedback to our next iteration, and keep the continuous improvement ball rolling. It creates a near-term focus for all the stakeholders involved in the system. It encourages high customer engagement and alignment. It exploits the variability, responses to the requirements. The emergent requirements are well taken care of. It provides a good visibility and has some objective evidence on the solution fitness. It provides a measured approach to what the investment go on. So it's a very good in terms of optimizing the economic value. And this all motivates all the parties to build the best solution. And above all, we have seen that after the pre-construction phase, when we moved into the bridging phase, when the SK adopted scaled agile approach, it has helped us to break down all the silos and has helped us to nourish the transparency, which I feel is a key aspect when we are working in a large, huge scale project like the SK.